ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Nonghilam jong Nonghikai School SSA ki badan hapo kasatri jong Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan School Association ha ka khatnyo tarik ubnai rempang arajar arpuar kila Ïaiban nya ka Sorkar jelna bakadai ban pelaj no ya ka Tulop ka badang sa ateng hadu san Bnai da ka ba Siew na ka additional fund ka ba shispa sa Klur tingka ya ka ba ka Sorkar kampat pentrikam satya wat shinayaru na ka ni ka bha Hagajingnya keren mat kilat pathai kubor Presiden Jongka Association uba Aristotle Rembai uliat ho baga seng kandang yai peteng ban penlong ya ka non-cooperation movement kat baga Sorkar kampat pelaj ya ka ni ka song pisa ka ba shispa sa Klur tingka ban Siew dep ya ka Tulop ka badang sa ateng jong Nonghikai School SSA hapo ka jilla Meghalaya baro ka way.
So as you all are aware that the salary of the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya is pending for almost 5 months. Last time during December last year, the state government have released a 2 months salary, that is for the month of August and September. And our salary is pending from the month of October, November, December, January and February is running. So regarding this issue, on 16 November 2021, we have sent a letter to the state government through the Secretary Education, Sir Ambrose Mara, suggesting the state government to release the additional fund to be borne by the state government amounting rupees 104 crores. Which is still lying in the account of the state government for a period of last 3 years. Added to this, on 28 December 2021, again we have sent a reminder letter on this issue, requesting the government to release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores. And after waiting for some times, we have taken a decision to file an RTI to know the facts, to know the details about this 104 crores. So on 18 January 2022, we have filed an RTI in the office of the State Project Director, and yesterday we have received an RTI report regarding this 104 crores. So today we are here to share the details regarding this additional fund, which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya, amounting rupees 104 crores. So as per the letters sent by the Secretary Education Government of Meghalaya, Sir Ambrose Marak, on 2nd November 2021, to the Director of Institutional Finance, Government of Meghalaya, here he mentioned, he requests the Finance Department to release this additional fund, which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya as per capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for payment of SSA teacher salary, which is lying with the state government for a period of last 3 years. So here are the details. Okay, the lower primary teachers, there are 5,814 in numbers. So monthly the state government pay us 19,044 rupees per teachers. Okay, so if we calculate this amount with the total number of teachers, annually it comes to around 132 crores 86 lakhs 61,792. Okay, and the amount which approved by the Project Approval Board, Government of India, it is rupees for UP. Okay, for UP there are 6,727 teachers. So the salary paid by the state government is 20,493 per month per teachers. So annually, if we calculate, it comes to around 165 crores, 42,76,932 rupees. So if we total both lower primary and upper primary, the fund needed for payment of SSA teachers annually, it comes to 298 crores 29 lakhs 38,724 rupees. So the financial support approved by the Project Approval Board, Government of India, for payment of SSA teacher salary is 266 crores 10 lakhs. 266 crores 10 lakhs. And the additional amount which is to be borne by the state government annually, it comes to around 32 crores 19 lakhs 38,722. Okay, 32 crores 19 lakh 38,724 rupees. This is the additional amount which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya as per capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for payment of SSA teachers' salary. So why there is a gap here? See, as per the financial norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is clearly mentioned that the central government will support the salary for payment of SSA teachers is rupees 15,000 per month per teachers for lower primary teachers. So the state government pay us 19,044 rupees, which means that the additional amount, that is 4,044 rupees, is to be borne by the state government from the state budget. And for upper primary, the government of India say that they will support a financial support for payment of SSA teacher salary 20,000 per month per teachers, whereas in our state of Meghalaya we are getting a salary at a rate of 20,493 rupees per month per teachers, which means that 493 rupees is to be borne by the state government. So if we tally all these two figures, it comes to around, annually it comes to around 32 crores 19 lakhs 38,724 rupees. So now see, this total amount of 104 crores as per this RTR report, it shows here that in the year 2019-20, the money which is still lying with the state government, it comes to around rupees 34.10 crores. In the year 2020-21, it comes to rupees 33.946 crores. In the year 2021-22, it comes to rupees 36.32 crores. If we tally all this fund right from 2019 to the financial year 2021-22, it comes to a figure of 104.366 crores, which is approximate 104 crores. So the question now, we ask the state government. Now the state government are saying that they are waiting for the second installment from the government of India so that they will be in position to pay our 5 months pending salary. Now we put a question to the state government. Why not, instead of waiting for second installments, we SSA teachers at present we suffer a lot. Instead of waiting for the second installment from the government of India, why not release this amount of 104 crores which is lying with the state government for a period of 3 years? This is what we have suggested from the association. And regarding our suggestion, on 18 November 2021, the Secretary Education Government of Meghalaya, Sir Amros Marak, have sent our proposal to the Finance Department of the Government of Meghalaya, requesting them to take immediate action and to release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores, which is to be borne by the state government from the state budget as per the capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Here in this RTI report, it is also mentioned here, incidentally it may be mentioned that the Finance Department White letter number dated 4th March 2020 agreed to release rupees 34.10 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2019-20, but as of date the same has not been released. Similarly, additional fund of rupees 33.946 crores against capping norms of teachers' salary for the financial year 2020-21 has also not been released, although SIMAM paid teachers' salary as per existing rate by taking loan in anticipation of receipt of fund from the state government. See, here it is clearly mentioned that the state have agreed to pay this additional amount, but it is very surprised to see here that though the state have agreed, the same was not released till date. So we want to raise a question to the state government why they are not releasing this fund amounting rupees 104 crores so that the office of the state project director will be in a position to pay our pending 5 months salary. Added to this, very interesting, okay? I think all of us remember what is the statement made by our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma. In his statement, he mentioned that SSA program is a financial support, a funding pattern between the center and the state government of 90:10 ratio. But as per the letter sent by the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, Sir Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, on 22nd January 2021, he mentioned clearly regarding the capping norms whose responsibility is it falls under whose responsibility. Here, according to this letter, see here it is according to this letter, it is clearly mentioned here that as regards capping norm of salary of teachers under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is informed that while finalizing the scheme, representatives of all states and UTs were requested to share their views, suggestion on the concept note and the design of the scheme. The suggestion comments of the state UTs on the concept note for the proposed integrated scheme for school education were accommodated in the scheme. Accordingly, financial support to the teachers, headmaster, principal has been restricted as per the prevalent fund sharing pattern based on the financial norms of the scheme. Here the Honorable Minister of Education himself have written a letter to our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, which he clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government to bond this additional amount. Because before finalizing the proposal sent by the state government, they already have a PAB meeting. In that PAB meeting, they have discussed everything. So the state and the central government have agreed, and after they have agreed, okay, here it is mentioned that regarding the financial support, it will be as per the financial norms of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. So what is that financial norm? I just want to share with you the financial norm of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Here it is clearly mentioned that the central government will support payment of teachers' salary for lower primary rupees 15,000 per month, and for upper primary rupees 20,000 per month. So the statement made by our Honorable Chief Minister and this letter is contradict. Okay, it is contradict. He knows very well about the scheme. He knows very well about the financial program. He is aware of it. Even the Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India, personally, he have written a letter to him. So we are very surprised why our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma trying to misguide or mislead the SSA teachers in particular and the people of Meghalaya in general by saying that we depends totally on the central government as per the funding pattern 90:10. whereas in this letter it is saying otherwise. I also want to add, okay, as per section 7 of the RTR 2009, it is clearly mentioned here that the state government shall, after taking into consideration the sum provided by the central government above and the mandatory matching state share, provide the balance fund necessary to fulfill the estimate for the implementation of the act. It is recommended that the state should meet the balance amount from its own resources, including the additional fund developed under the 14th Finance Commission. So see, the Honorable Chief Minister is very aware of this. The Education Minister is very aware of this. But we are very surprised why they are trying to mislead the SSA teachers, as I said in particular, and the people of Meghalaya in general. And today, through the press and media, both print and electronics, we demand from the state government to immediately release this additional fund amounting rupees 104 crores, so that the state project director office will be in position to pay our pending salary, which is pending for almost 5 months.
And regarding the second issue, and that is the non-cooperation movement for us teachers against the government, because time and again we are the one who are being deprived of our rights, as has been mentioned by our Sir President. Even the salary also, it has been pending for nearly 5 months now, and it has been since long, right from the time, that is from December onwards till now. We have been harassed by the state government in giving us many activities that we have to do and fulfill time and again, and we are the one that time and again we are being deprived of what is due for us, and that is the salary. But time and again, as we see that the government use us in many of the activities that we have to fulfill. Just to name a few, the activities such as teacher self-assessment, then we have the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar, then even the COVID vaccination drive also, they involve teachers in it, and also then we have this training on TSAP, to name a few. So we are the one, time and again, we have suffered a lot, because just like I've told you about our salary, and then time and again we are being told that this is compulsory that we have to do. So now we are asking the government, okay, time and again we are the one who are being suppressed. So time and again you ask us to go for this training. So who will bond for us regarding the expenditure that we have to go through to all these training and all. So we request the government to hear our cry and to deal with our issue, to solve our problem, okay, for this cause, okay, to make themselves available for us, not only to use us many of the times regarding on all these activities that is involved. So thank you.
Yeah, I just want to add on this. Our non-cooperation movement, which we have launched during December last year, it will continue. It will continue till the state government release our pending salary. We just want to remind our beloved SSA teachers that the non-cooperation movement against all the activities and program of the state government, it will continue till the state government release all our pending salary. After the state government release our pending salary, we will withdraw our non-cooperation movement. Till then, it will be continue as it is.